Hi, let's talk about time management. We all only have 24 hours in a day, and how we use that time is going to determine how much we get accomplished. So here are 4 very simple ideas or concepts or tricks that you can use. Number 1, time blocking. Block time chunks on your calendar. I usually use 30-minute or 1-hour time blocks to work on a specific task or project or outcome, and that time is taken. So you have to look at it as if you had a $10 million listing appointment. That's on your calendar. That's going to be a 90-minute appointment, and that is sacrosanct. Likewise, your time blocks need to be equally sacrosanct. So look at your calendar as you're planning out your week and time block for your activities. Number 2, chunking. You want to look at all of your different activities, things that you do, and group like kind activities together. So when you're working on marketing, when you're working on, let's say, prospecting, on making phone calls, you want to chunk these activities together and then put them into a time block. Number 3, email. Email is a huge disruptor, and if you start out your day by checking your email, odds are that you get sucked down this email wormhole, and before you know it, a couple of hours are gone by. So here's the idea with respect to email. Don't check your email until your first most important outcome for the day has been completed. So as you plan your day, you want to have your top 2-3 outcomes that you want to accomplish for that day. And when you start your day, make sure that you complete your first outcome before you go into your email system. And then last but not least, on your iPhone or on your Android phone, use the airplane mode. So when you're working on a time block, when you're working on an activity, put your phone on airplane mode so people cannot interrupt you. If you're again at this $10 million listing appointment, you're not going to answer a call from someone coming in, you're busy. And likewise, when you're looking at your time blocks, they're equally sacrosanct. So put your phone on airplane mode, nobody can reach you, nobody can interrupt you. And by the way, here's a trick. If you're using a dialer, it might be part of your CRM, it might be an add-on product, but if you use a dialer, most of them are IP-based dialers. So you can actually put your phone on airplane mode. Nobody can call you, but you can still make your outbound calls using the dialer. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope this will help you get a bit better control of your time. My name is Thomas Hyman with Realty Partners.